Good morning, good night, and good day to everyone. This is Tim from Flock.io. So what is Flock? We are a decentralized training platform. For this video, this is our first video tutorial to go through everything we do. So now let's kick off by learning how to create a task via our SDK. So you can see we are now in the task SDK by cloning the V1 SDK. So what we need to do first is to make sure that your requirement text is right. We have several systems here. We have the Windows, we have the Unix, and then we have the Apple. After you have completed checking, we need to cd and to examples and credit card fraud detection. That will be the example we're going to be using. So you can download the CSV from our official website. Remember to put this in the data directory. If you don't have the data directory, you can just create one. Then you use /build and upload shell. So this will execute the upload instruction. This upload instruction will process your data into models and then post them. Store the model onto the IPFS. So where it's gonna take some time. So once it's completed to 100%, you will receive a data hash. So the data hash will be used to create a new task on our client. Next, we will get into our client to create a new task. Shown on so this is our client, and then you have this create new, and then through this you will write through this example we'll be calling this task credit card fraud. We'll use the same one for description. For input, it will describe what type of data we need to. Here we need the transaction data, and then the output will be fraud detection result. So then we choose the model name to NLP, and as a classification, we set the model size in memory to 556, and the output description will be fraud detection, let's say results. So now we paste the model definition hash to the text box and click continue. So here we want to define the example data where we can locate the data in order to allow the machine learning process to understand what type of data we are looking for. Here we set the training settings. So for example, we want 2 minimal participants and the maximum is 6. And you can also set the round time in seconds. Here we set to 89.6K and set the round time to 10 and expected accuracy to 70%. We require 10 initial staking and 1,000 reward us in the poll, and click continue, finish. So now we can see that my balance has changed and my Matic balance has also changed. So both just went in, and we move down to the bottom, we will see credit card fraud tested 1. So here I will show you how to join in the task. Click here, join in. We can see that we don't have any token, so we need to go here and mint some token from the faucet. Oh, you can see from the top, I have already minted 1000 flock token. Now we just go back to the task, and so here we locate your local data set. We don't upload anything, so where you just select your example data and then you just locate it. And next we need to stake the flock token because the requirement is 10 flock initial stake. So after you submitting your stake, you will see the balance changed, and then you are able to carry on the task. Yeah, pressing next to actually start training process. The training process will take some time. First, we're gonna validate our stake token, no, actually staking the token. So now we check the stake. We will now download the model image from IPFS. So because we train everything locally, so you will need to have the model local in order to train your data. And through that, we will only need to submit this weight of training to the chain for verification and voting purpose. So we should be seeing result soon. So normally take 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your internet speed, for you to download this model. The download is completed. We will go get into round of training. So now we can see that yeah, it started training a previous model container found, and then we will remove that and start a new one. So each time we are creating a new container to allow the compatibility across all platforms. That's something we're trying to resolve now, to have a decentralized dynamic instance for user to use, because through this method we cannot reuse the IPFS hash, which is not really good. Otherwise, each time user needs to create a new task, a new model, start responding the request. We'll soon see more logs coming up. We can see that the container is now responding to request, and the starting balance is 10. Let me just move down a bit. Now we started joining the current round successfully, waiting for more participants. So for local training, once you have reached this stage, you are in training tasks, because so by now you are trying to wait for other people to join in your training. So which is really good. It means everything is successful.